how to draw a gear in MasterCAM 2022. Myself Sudeep Singh. Welcome to my channel Wikipedia. So for drawing spur gear, first let us go to wireframe and please check that your unit is in metric. Select circle center point. Click on the center point. Draw a circle. Now let us give radius value 30. So when you click outside, diameter will be 60. Click on OK and create new operation so that your tool will not be terminated. Now again click on the center point. Draw another circle. Let us give its radius as 20. If you click outside, the diameter will be 40. Now we don't need the tool again, the circle tool again. So click OK. So the tool is now terminated. Now let us take the line endpoint tool. Click on the center point of the circle. Click on the outside circle perimeter. Now click OK. From this point, draw a line. Let us take its dimension as 5 millimeter. Click OK. Let us draw another line. Wait for this point to become blue. Let us take the length as 2.5 millimeter. Click on OK. Now we need to draw an arc connecting these two lines. For that, click here, click arc endpoints, click on this edge, click on this endpoint. Now let us give the radius of the arc as 13 millimeter. Let us see whether in 10 millimeter it is showing proper. No, 15 millimeter. Yes. Now click OK. Now I need to extend this arc to this circle. So for that, click on trim to entities. Click on this arc. Click on the circle. Now we don't need these lines. So after extending, click OK. Select the lines. Click on this line. Click on this line. Click on this line. Then press delete. Now this arc is extended outside this circle. So we need to trim this arc. So for trimming, let us select this trim to entities. Now first I will break these two lines at the intersection point. So for that, select break. Click on this line first. Click on the second line. Then it got broken. Now click on OK. Now you can select this segment and delete it. Now let me mirror this arc. For that, under transform, click on mirror. Click on the arc. Click end selection and your segment of the arc will be mirrored. Now I want to rotate these two arcs along 360 degree. So for that, click on this option rotate. Now for rotating, click on rotate. Click on this arc because these two we want to rotate. Now click on end selection. Now give your number of segments which you want to rotate. So let me take 7. Now let me rotate this. You can adjust the angle here. It has taken 49 degree, which is quite good because it is a whole number and we have taken number of segments or rotation 7. Now click on OK. Now we need to trim out the extra lines on the circle outside. For that, go to wireframe, click on trim to entities. sketch is completely trimmed. And now let us make it solid. So for making it solid, go to Solids tab. Just pan the diagram so that you can see it in isometric view. And now click extrude. Now click on the profile. Click OK. Now the dimension or the distance to which it is made solid in the extruding direction, you can reduce it either from the sketch here. You can see a virtual scale and you can drag it, or you can change the value here. Let me take it 10 millimeter and now click OK. Now I need to make a central hole on this gear. For this, I'll go to wireframe, click on center, circle center point. Now click on the center, draw a circle. Let us take the radius value as 5, so the diameter will be 10. Click on OK. Now I need to remove this material from the gear. For that, let me go to solid. Let me again click on extrude and let me select the sketch and click on OK. Instead of create body, click on cut body and the material will be removed. You can see by rotating the solid. Now click on OK.